Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to change your location in Facebook Marketplace on your computer in 2025. So this particular method is helpful if you have moved or want to search in a different city or need better local results. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you need to open your web browser and search for facebook.com. Once you are on Facebook, you need to provide your login credentials and simply log in into your account. Over here in the left hand section, you will see the marketplace tab. So you need to simply click on it. Over here, based on whichever locations you are in, it is going to show you the listings in the left hand section. But in order to change the location of it, simply click on this map icon here in the top right hand corner of the screen. After clicking on this option, it is going to show you your current location and the radius as well. So you need to type your location over here. You can type anything like New York City, Los Angeles, etc. Let's say I'm going to be typing over here Los Angeles. So among the given addresses, you can select any of these. After selecting it, it is going to update this map over here. Then click on the apply option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. After entering the city, you can also see the slider or the drop down in order to set the distance range as well. So currently it is 65 kilometers, but if you click on this drop down menu, you will be able to access bunch of other options. So you can adjust it based on how far you are willing to buy or sell. Again, once you are done with it, simply click on the apply now option in the bottom right hand corner and your marketplace feed will now show the listings from the new location that you have selected. So if it doesn't update, you can just try refreshing the page or switching between the tabs like home tab and buy tab to load the new area properly. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.